To set up Fibonacci retracement on TradingView, start by opening your TradingView account and navigating to the chart of your chosen asset. Click on the Indicators button at the top of the screen and type Fibonacci retracement in the search bar. Select the Fibonacci retracement tool from the drop-down menu. Once you have selected the tool, you will need to draw the Fibonacci levels on your chart. To do this, click and drag the mouse from the lowest point to the highest point of the trend you are analyzing. The Fibonacci levels will automatically be drawn on the chart at the 23.6, 38.2, 50, 61.8, and 76.4% levels. The 50% level is often considered the most significant level, as it represents a perfect retracement of the trend. The 61.8% level is also important, as it is considered a golden ratio and often acts as a strong support or resistance level. To customize your Fibonacci levels, click on the settings icon next to the Fibonacci retracement tool. From here, you can adjust the levels, change the color and style of the lines, and add additional levels. You can also choose to display the levels as a percentage or as a price. When using Fibonacci retracement, it is essential to combine it with other forms of technical analysis, such as trend lines and moving averages. This will help you to confirm the strength of the trend and identify potential areas of support and resistance. Best practices for using Fibonacci retracement include using it in conjunction with other indicators, waiting for a clear trend to emerge before drawing the levels, and being patient and disciplined when trading. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Fibonacci retracement to improve your trading strategy and make more informed decisions.